Hey YT, Superstar Boy Gaming here, back in another video. What's today we're in my bike. Let's go. I'm basically driving one-handed. Hi! Whoa! You can see I'm pretty good because that's me, that's car right there. He bought this for me. So I'm just gonna show you a little preview of my bike because you didn't see much. You only see me drive it, so. Hold on. I can't pause. Side. Front. The front. This back. This is the inside. Someone added this. These are my keys. Let me just take them off to give you a preview. Okay. This is my seat. The seat that's here's the lever to make it reverse. I use this button to start it. This button. Just press this. Then. But first, you have to turn this on. Then do like this. Then you see here. If you go on green, it means you're not moving or doing anything. Reverse. Forward. I can't seem to get it out. Gonna fall down. I guess I can put it. I don't know where to put it. This is a problem. Yeah! That's it. I'm just doing one-handed. I'm gonna go slowly because I don't want to bump, but it's still fast. I'll show you where I park my motorcycle. My dad said I'm only allowed to go in the sand, but sometimes I go on the road but right now, we're gonna have to park it, so let's go park. Hi. I don't get ya.
What are you doing with this mobile?
Recording? Huh? 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 Hi.
You will go fast?
No,
Why you will go fast?
I'm not gonna go fast. I'm just gonna park here. I'm gonna park here. I'm gonna.
You know who is Danny?
Huh?
Danny Khan.
No. Bye. What?
you remember what I see you?
Hmm?
Sangai.
Bye.
Say hello. Hey. Come and call it. Come.
Hey, brother. Mm-hmm. Look at there! There's something there! Hi. Papa's there! A customer! Customer! Customer project! Okay, that was done. Today, tonight, we're gonna be going to the store because this is my dad's shop, so we'll be going to the office. Not that much busy, but let's go. This is where the people work here. See, I'll show you what they're on to right now. They're on to this. Still making. So I should probably not mess around with their business. Here is office. The laptop where I play games on. This is what I'm doing. Try to spell what I'm saying. Again, I'm gonna change the word. That's what I did, Roblox. Dun, 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 dun. Focus. 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 This is my account. Tyler the Awesome VP, and here's the name, Roblox. This is what I was playing today. So far. I don't know, but I'm gonna be playing Shadowrun. So bye YouTube. I'll see you guys in a new update.